Now we are going to understand self attention deep but intuitive. Okay, in the end, you should say, oh, attention just a relationship between the words. Okay, and in this video, we are going to understand most important idea in transformer self attention. If you understand this, everything else become easier. Why attention exists? So let's start with a simple question. I love programming in Python. When the model read this sentence, this one, okay, when model read this sentence, how does it know which word are related? For example, programming is clearly related to the Python, but not very related to the word I. Okay. For example, programming, this word is related. It's clearly related to the Python. Okay, because Python is programming language. Okay. So programming is related to the Python. Okay, but not very related to the word I. Okay, so older model read word one by one and try to remember everything that was slow and unreliable. Attention was created so every word can directly look at at every other word. Attention was created so every word can directly look at every other word. Okay, in one word looking at other words. In self attention, each word asks a simple question: which other word matter to me? Okay, the word programming, this word, the word programming looks at the all other words. Okay, but it pay more attention to Python. Okay, this word programming looks at all other words, but it pay more attention to the Python. Okay, this is not understanding, this is just a assigning importance. Okay, so here one word looking at other words and ask a simple question: which other word is matter to me? Okay, so now we are going to move here in QKV. Okay, so you might hear state term like query, key, and value. Okay, so query is what a word is looking for. What is the query? Query is what a word is looking for. Key, key is what other word offer. This one, key, key is what other word offer, and value, value is the actual information that get passed forward. A bird compare its query with the key. Okay, a bird compare its query with the key of other word and decide who deserve more attention. Okay, I'm going to repeat again. A word compare its query with the key of other word and decide who deserve more attention. You can see here. Okay, attention score. So result of this comparison, okay, programming compare with Python and it related high, okay, and programming relate to the love, that is medium, okay, and programming relate to the I, that is low. Okay, so this result of the result of this comparison is called the attention score. Okay, high number means more focus, okay, and lower number means less focus. This one, high means more focus and lower means less focus. So there is a no meaning here, only weighted relationships. Okay, he why attention is parallel? Here is something powerful. All words compute attention at the same time. The model does not wait for one word to finish before moving to the next. This is why transformers are fast and scalable. Self attention inside the encoder. This one here you can see I already explained this encoder diagram. Okay, so here you can see inside the encoder, this is the encoder part. Okay, inside the encoder, self attention, this one, multi head attention, self attention. Okay, this is the first major operations. Each word become context aware here. Okay, by looking at the other words. After attention, the word presentation is richer because it now include the context. Attention is not equals to understanding. Now an important part, I mean say, now an important clarification. Okay, attention is not understanding. The model does not know what Python is. It only know that in many text, programming and Python appears together. Okay, why hallucination happen? Confident output is not equals to current output because attention is just a math. The model can produce confident but wrong answer. It cannot verify facts. It predict what look aesthetically likely, not what is true. Now you can see this is the summary of our all these previous lectures summary. Okay, summary of all our previous lectures. Okay, so self attention allow word to look at other word. Okay, word to look at other word. It assign importance using numbers. Okay, attention is equals to weighted math means it assign the importance using number. Okay, parallel and fast, it run in parallel, that's why it is working fast. Okay, no real understanding means it does not think or reason.